understand. Everything went better than expected.
That was very
That was totally anticlimactic, Martin. Way to go. Way to freaking
I did
fail.
orange mango like 2 days ago, yesterday or something like that.
2 days ago.
And it was like everywhere.
This is what we do in Honeybrook. We make soda, apparently. Yes. We are so cool we can make our own soda. And in the background you can hear Martin's birds, which really need to shut up. What are you doing? Yay! If you would have fallen, that would have been on camera.
Yeah, it's adorable.
More like a dorkable.
I got a shirt that says that.
Martin, it looks like you're trying to do something.
Shut up!
Yes! I love you, little birdie! I love how this went from soda to a bird.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye, birdie.
Say bye.
Bye.
Martin.
Martin.
Goodbye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.